How to fix Windows settings closes immediately or not opening at all. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if your Windows settings is not opening at all or it closes right after you open it. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do here is open up your command prompt terminal. So right click on your Windows icon and then click on Terminal Admin. Click on Yes. And once you do that, your PowerShell will open up. So the first command that you are going to type in is this one. You can pause the video and then copy this command right here. I'm just going to copy it from here and then paste it right here. Once you do that, you can just press enter. So what this will do is it will reset your app package, and then you should be able to access your settings. So just press enter and it will take some time to load, and after that restart your PC. So once you have done that, your problem should pretty much be fixed. But if it still does not fix, then what you can do is try to enter this second code. So just note that this second code is for Windows 11 users and this third code is for Windows 10 user. So if you are using Windows 11, you are going to copy this code. Just pause the video and copy this code. Open up your Terminal Admin again. And then from here you are just gonna paste this code on your Terminal Admin. It will show you a lot of red codes. After finishing that, just hit enter and then restart your PC and you should be good to go. So just note that all of these commands are very important. You can again pause the video to copy these. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.